Mark Miller of Coating Tech Slot Dies here, and I invite you to our seminar to learn about slot die coating technology at Coating Tech Institute. Our 2.5-day training program focuses on efficient and thorough training in slot die coating technology, consisting of both classroom and hands-on experiences in the lab and on a coating line. A team of industry experts will provide the information operators and engineers need to know to help understand the science of slot dies and the components that make up a slot die coating system. Participants leave with the tools required to make an immediate impact on the production floor with increased knowledge, a process for efficient defect resolution, useful technical calculators, and individual project consulting. This event is designed for companies in any fluid coating industry, from adhesive-coated tapes to lithium-ion batteries. Anyone new to slot die technology should consider attending. Coating Tech Institute also provides a great opportunity to have hands-on experience with slot die technology if you are currently using another roll-to-roll process technique. While the content is technical, it can be easily digested by engineers and operators, even if you are new to slot die coating technology. For more information or to register, visit coatingtechinstitute.com.